Good morning. Let's start a new sketch on the front plane, and let's go to the next feature in the sketch menu. We have the sketch fillet, and if you expand it, you have sketch chamfer. So to use the sketch fillet, we can do some sketches here. You can make two lines, you can make a rectangle. Now let's activate the sketch fillet. Here you need the radius for your fillet. Let's make it 5 millimeter, and then either to select the two edges to create the fillet, and then right click on the mouse or OK here, or you can directly select the corner. Let's make it 10 here, and run down OK. And let's show you one thing else. Let's activate the fillet, and here we have this corner selected, and we choose dimension each fillet and keep the constraint corner. And now instead of selecting each corner, you can right click or selecting. You can see that pencil. Now you selected all the corner included in that, and then OK. So this is quite faster. And now we use or check the dimension each fillet, so we see the dimensions in each fillet. So for example, let's make another example. We have many corners here. Let's fillet, use this, then select all shapes. So in one click you made all the fillets to all these parts, so by selection. So when you go to the right click, you can see the type of selection, box selection or lasso selection. If you select box, you'll be able to make box selection. So now let's go to next